I'm a bit disappointed today. I've got in the Excel. We're ready to go to the track. I got all my gear in the back and it didn't want to start. Thanks to engine immobilizer. So there's the culprit. I try this thing. There it is. Maybe it'll work this time. Key in the ignition. And that. Little light on in there. Oh, something's making a funny noise too. I found the wire that runs around through to a little black box. Time to start pulling things apart. I'm pretty sure this one's not the problem, but they've left me the microphone from the old stereo. I should plug it in. No, doesn't work. Useless. Chuck it out with the rest of the stuff. Righto. There's the culprit. This scares me to death. And this part is part of the immobilizer. That one in there is part of the immobilizer too, I think. And I'm not good with this sort of stuff. Actually, I've never done anything with it before at all. So yeah, wish me luck. Righto, so here's where I'm up to. I've managed to isolate the unit. I've found the earth. I've found where it's connected into the car's original wiring loom. They've actually cut the wires to splice in the immobilizer, so I'm going to have to reconnect some of the original wiring back into the standard loom so that I can make the car work again. Let's give you a look at what it looks like here. So here's the immobilizer. Those are not the immobilizer. This is. And it connects up here. They've cut this one. They've cut this one. So it comes down here, cut into the immobilizer, back up and in again. That's what I'm going to have to rectify. So I've disconnected these two which attach here, and these two here are the return into the same colour wire. So I'll see if I can get those spliced together, and then that recreates that connection. Then I shall do the same. To these two wires down here, and then that unit's disconnected.